Hello everyone, welcome to your Apna Channel channel. So today we will start our rank improvement program. In that we will discuss our test 1 video solution, okay, in detail. So I hope you give the test. That test will be live for next 5 days. So if you not, then you can check out that link in our Telegram channel, okay. So first let me tell you what is the purpose of this program, what are the things that are included in this program. So first, as you know, I already shared a test with you, okay. So like this I will share test for each subject weekly. Currently there is schedule of weekly, but soon I will try to increase the frequency. Unfortunately our channel got terminated yesterday, so that's why I feeling little disturbed, but still we have to work, we have to study, okay, there is no other way. And if you have time, at least 1 minute, then please go to Twitter and just tweet on the below link, okay, I will give you the link. And just you can retweet on that, so that YouTube may accept our request and just it will restore our channel soon. Second is your analyzing mistakes. So after giving test, you need to analyze your mistakes, okay, what are mistakes you are performing in that, like this. And the third, which is important, that is your video solution. Now here what you will do, I will tell you each and everything in very much detail. So here your focus should be like to learn, okay, not to just solve any problem or solve any question. No, learning is important part. You will learn from here and then you will implement in the test, and this cycle we will do continuously, so that ultimately you are increase, you will improve, okay, that is for sure. For that we need to again give test, then learn, and then again give test, like this. Next thing, in each video I will share you expected marks, okay, means first test is completed now, okay. So you don't need to worry about other students. The whole purpose is that because of this test series culture, we see all the topper marks, the topper time. No, it is not required, actually it is bullshit. So I don't want you to focus on this. If you trust on us, that is Apna government job, and if you follow, if you connected, then you should know that expected marks is important, okay. So what I will do, what I will always tell you, that this much marks are required in this test, okay. If you are getting above this much marks, then you can consider your preparation is going in good direction, okay. If you are getting less than this marks, then you can consider your preparation is going somewhere, I mean it is problematic. If you get equal, then average performance or average preparation, no need to worry, okay. So these are the important things. So here with this you will compete with yourself only, that is the important thing. When you will compete with yourself, you will focus on yourself, then only you can improve, okay, this is the thing. So that's why you no need to see any other marks or any other students. I hope that it will not get displayed on there. I don't know the student screen, but still I hope, okay. So this is the ultimate aim of the program, to ultimately improve yourself, okay, that is self improvement, because this is the only thing you should do. And whenever there is no test, definitely study very hard, okay. Give maximum time to self study rather than just watching YouTube videos. There is no need to watch 12 hours 13 hours of video, okay, it's totally just a waste of the time. And definitely when after result you will realize that. So that's why before exam only I am telling you, just invest more time in self study part, right. So this is all about our program, that is ESIC UDC program for your ESIC exam. Now we will start our video solution. Before that, let me tell you the marks which are expected. So if you score 8 marks out of 20, then definitely your preparation is average. Above this, very good preparation. Below this, you need to work very hard, okay. And if you are not getting, definitely you can message me on application. I will help you in that, okay. Okay, now I want your full attention and full focus. We will start our learning. So this is your test 1. All the instruction you got, I hope you see this during the test, okay. So we will start first question. Now this question is from simplification, and here we need to find the value of p, okay. So the basic concept which required for this question, for this type of question, is BODMAS. Simple one. What is BODMAS? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, so this will we will use, and priority we will always give like this. First we will see any bracket is there or not, so there is no bracket. Then division, no. Multiplication, yes, multiplication is there, see this one. Addition, okay, and subtraction, like this. Here you can also interchange sometimes, and here if you want, and you cannot. Okay, here is no problem, but first these two operations should be in sync or should be in sequence, right? So now let's see what we can do here. So first we will solve this part because this is multiplication, and this part. Okay, so this is simple one. See, 2 8s and 3 3s are 8 3s are 24. So 1 by 8 plus 24 minus. Okay, here. Now here anything is not simplifying because the unit digit is 3. So we need to directly multiply. So 13 3s are 39, and 13 2s are 26, and 3 29. Okay, 299 upon 24. And here no change is required, so we will keep it as it. Now here what you can do, here you can see 24 by 1, 1 by 8, 299 by 24. So we can take LCM, and when you take LCM of this 8 1 24, you will get LCM as 24 only. Okay, or what you can do, you can just multiply above denominator 24 and numerator 24, like this. Okay, so I am multiplying now. So 24 here, 8 3s are plus 24 into 24, 24 square, minus 24 into 299 upon 24. So 1, sorry, not 1, 299. Okay, carefully with patience, just listen each and everything and just watch. The importance to learn approach, how to approach the question in your exam hall. That is most important thing, right? Upon 24. Now we know that 24 square is 576. First I want to tell you that just remember 1 to 25 squares. Okay, and then 1 to 12 cubes. This thing you should remember compulsory. Now if you have here little bigger number, then how you can calculate? Okay, how you can calculate, I will just show you. So for that we will use our trick of multiplication. So what is the trick? This you should remember, and you will apply in your all examination, okay, and your ESIC examination. So suppose 24 is there, like this, 24 24. Okay, so first this multiplication, that is 16, then cross multiplication like this, 4 to the 8 and 4 to the 8. Okay, that is 8 plus 8, 16. So what I did, 4 to the 8 plus 2 for the 8, and just 16 I write. Okay, like this. And then this multiplication, 2 to the 4. Okay, now what we will do, we will keep our unit digit as it is, and we will just add this first number with the next number. Okay, so for example, we will keep this 6 as it is. 1 plus 6 7, 1 plus 4 5. See, 24 square 576. Okay, so this technique you can use to find any two digit numbers, okay, of multiplication. So just remember this trick, and it will be very helpful for you in your IB-based exams. So that's why it's very important to remember. Okay, or note down. Yeah, let's come back to our question now. So here what we have, 576. Now I can directly write here 576. Okay, 576 plus 3, 599. Sorry, 579 and minus 299. Okay, so this is 0. This is 2150 and 21 2. So it will be 280 by 24. Okay, so this is the LHS side. So on LHS we got 280 by 24. Now let's come to this, that is P5 upon 3. So here you can see here 8 3s are 24, and with 5 we can cancel this. So 5 5s are 25 and 3 5 6 are. Okay, and this is 8 7s are. So answer is 7. Okay, so it was very good question, and few candidates did this very well, but few did not. So those who failed in this question, just go through the approach again. Okay, just don't forget our BODMAS rule, and also remember our tricks of multiplication that I told you. Okay, and next time I hope that definitely you will make it. Okay, now second question is from DI. Very good question and very important for your exam, ESSA exam. Sure shot, I will told you in the strategy video, you will get DI. Okay, so study the table carefully to answer the questions that below. So what, first we will analyze the table. What the things are there, what are the parameters are there. Okay, first analyze, don't just hurry to a question. So airlines versus year. Okay, In airlines, various airlines are there: Air India, Vistara, Indigo, SpiceJet. And year 2014 to 2019. Okay. Then V and NV, so vegetarian people, or I can say passenger, those who are traveling through airlines, and non-vegetarian. Okay, V for vegetarian and NV for non-vegetarian. So this is the whole table they given to you. Now what we have to find: total number of vegetarian passengers with Indigo in year 2018-19. Okay, first I will just mark this. So 18-19, this. Okay, vegetarian only we want. So this is your 760. Okay, like this. The next one, what we want is approximately what percentage of the total number of non-vegetarian passengers of SpiceJet in the same year. Okay, SpiceJet in the same years means 18-19, 18-19 SpiceJet. On that we want non-vegetarian. Okay, means this. So its addition is simple: 8 and this 12. Okay, and this is 6 again. So 6 is 12, 13, 2 and 8. Okay, 13 and 28. So we want ratio, sorry, percentage, and that is also approximation. Okay, that is important. So 760 upon 30 and 28 into 100. Now I am sure that in your exam, when you give this test, definitely all of you may have problem here, that how to calculate this thing. Okay, but now I will show you that how the proper way to how to calculate such divisions. So I will show you now the trick of division, which is very much important for you. Okay, so have attention here, full attention. Okay. So first step, okay, just have pay attention how to solve such type of divisions. First step, take approximation, or I can say approx ratio. Okay, first step is to take approx ratio. In this case, suppose this is 700, okay, approx, upon 1400, means I here just decrease from 760 to 700, and here I increase from 1328 to 1400. Okay, approx we want. So this is the ratio of 1 upon 2, right? First step is complete. Second, write your minus or plus numbers. Means what? To get to nearest 100, to get to nearest 100, what number we should add or subtract from denominator. Okay, focus on denominator only. So just write this as a note point. To get nearest 100, okay, what number we need to add or subtract from denominator. So I will make it to 1300 because it is nearest. Okay, so what I will do to make it 1300, definitely I need to subtract 28 here, like this, right? Then only I will get 28 na, 1300 na. So what you can do, this 1 by 2 is equals to, we are just subtracting in denominator, minus 28. Okay, like this. So this 2 means minus 28, which is your 14 times 14 to the 28, right? So here this 1 is also 14 into 1, that is 14, negative 14. Okay, and negative positive, or just means don't focus on signs here. So here in second step we got 14 and 28. Okay, I hope side by side you are making notes also of this trick of division. Now the next step, that we got 14 and 28. Now we will, here based on this sign which we have, okay, here that is in numerator also we have minus, in denominator also we have minus. So we will do here. Okay, we perform operation. So 760 minus 14 upon 13 and 28 minus 28. Okay, so what is the value of this? 746, right? And here we will get 1300 into 100, because we want percentage, right? See, approximately what percentage we want. So that's why into 100 to convert the given value into percentage form. So this 20, this 20 gone. 13 5s are 65. Okay, so 65 and this 9, 96, and approximately 13 sevens are 91. Okay, so approximately 57 something. So you can see here options 56, which is closely matched, because we are doing approximation. Okay, all the things are approx, but nearest to 57 is 56. That's why your correct answer is 56. Okay, so I hope now from next time you will not perform mistake, or you will not feel here any fear, because lots of students just mark skip this question. Okay, I also gone through all of your, so many students skip this question because of this calculation only, because obviously little bit addition anyone can do. Okay, but challenge is here. So I hope that now you know how to solve such type of question with this trick. Any random division you can do. Okay, so for practice we will start with one. Okay, like this. So 820 suppose upon 1624. Okay, here also you can see the ratio 1 by 2. Okay, I will just minus 24. So this is your 12 times. This is also 12 times 12 by 24. So 820 minus 12, 808, and this is your 1600 into 100 because we want percentage. So 16 5s are 80. Okay, 8 is there, 5 point something. Okay, okay, here 8 is there which is small, so take 0 like this, and then we will get 80 here. So 16 5s are 18. So 15.5. So like this you can solve any of the questions. Okay, no need to worry about any division now from now onwards. Let's go to third question, which is also from DI and the same table we have. Okay, so directly we will see question because we know the table now. So question you can see, what is the total number of non-vegetarian passengers in Air India in the year 2014? Okay, total number of non-vegetarian passengers in Air India here in 2014 means this. Indigo in the year 2016. So Indigo 2016 non-vegetarian, and SpiceJet in the year 2017 like this. Okay, all together means just simple addition we want. Now see, here we have 351, here we have 369. Suppose if you give this 1 to this 369, then it's become 370. You understand how to do, and this all the things you will do in mentally. Okay, in mind you will do. You will not use here pen. No, in my mind only you will do this thing. Give 1 to this 369, it will become 370. Here we have 350. So 350 and 370 is nothing but your 720. Okay, then add this 426 here in 720 like this. Simple. In this case the calculation was simple, so no need to worry. So 1146. Okay, option number this. Okay, the next question. Here we also need to find the value of x. Again, this question is from simplification. So how you can attempt this question? Okay, again use our Bodmer's rule. Now I want just pause this video and try this question by yourself, and then you can play the video solution. So first, what you can do, DMAS. Okay, that is division. So here you can see clear division. It is like this: 14.7 upon 2.1. Okay, and you can see here point after one decimal only, so obviously it will cancel. So 147 and 21, so this is your 7 times easy. So here you got 7. Next, here 9 cube we need to find. So definitely 9 cube is easy. Okay, that is 729 minus 293. Here we have 7 in multiplication with what? 0.375 into 72. Okay, now 0.375 I can write like this, correct? Then here you can see the simplification with, let's check with 25 we can divide or not. So yes, with 25 we can divide. So 25 ones are 25. Okay, then here we have 12 125, 25 5s are 125, this is 25 4s are 100, and this is 40. Okay, like this. Then also 8 5s are 8 9s are 5 3s are. Okay, so this is 9 3 9 7s are 63, and 63 into 3, that is 189. Okay, so 189 plus 729 minus 293, this we got till now. Okay, now here perform first this addition. So here you can see we require 11, so take 11 from here and give to this, so it will become 200, and here 11 minus, so it will become 718. Okay, minus 293 as it is. Then here you can see 918 minus 293, again it will be your 625. Okay, that is 625. Okay, so now what we have here, 625 is equals to x raised to 4. Okay, see 5 square is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, and 125 into 5, that is your 625. Okay, so obviously answer is 5, because I can say like this also, 5 square 25, 5 square 25, so 25 into 25 625, 25 square. Okay, like this. So very easy question, and here few candidate did mistake. So next time I don't want any mistake from you guys. Just see, it's very simple. Just follow our Bodmer's rule. Definitely you can do. Okay, there is no problem in that. The next question, the fifth number, what will the place in the name of question mark? Okay. So now this question is very important for you, and definitely this type of question, one question you can expect in your exam from for ESIC. You require few basics of law of indices, the very basic concept, okay, and very important. So suppose we have something like a raised to m into a raised to n, okay, where a is your base. Now in this case observe the base is same, a is also here, a is also here, okay, like suppose this is 2, so 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 2 like this, okay, like this, or I can say here 2 raised to 3. Now in this case if you are getting this, then what you can do, just you will take base as a common and you will add this thing, that is m plus n, okay. So for multiplication there is addition. So similarly here if you apply in our example, so 2 raised to 2 plus 3, that is 2 raised to 5, and now you know 2 raised to 5 is nothing but your 32, right? So like this we can solve. So this is for multiplication. The next one is for division. Suppose there we have a raised to m upon a raised to n, okay, again the base is same, so what you can do, a raised to m and this will go upward, so it will be like minus n, okay, like this, or you can do a raised to m into a raised to minus n, okay, because we are going from in denominator it is, so we will take it to numerator, so it will come with minus sign, okay, and then you can just add this, so m plus minus n, m minus n, simple, right? When you have single base, okay, raised to power m suppose, and here we are taking square cube like this, okay, so I will take n, okay, then what you can do directly, that is a raised to m into n, that is you can directly multiply this, okay. For example 2 raised to square and then whole cube, so we will direct do like this 6, okay, like this. So now we got the basics of law of indices, so let's start our question. So 6 raised to 7.2 divided by 216. Again, we will combine now. Part master rule also here. Very important. Okay. So first we will take division. So I can see here this one division, this one and this one. Okay. So first we will solve this and then we will multiply and then we will check what is the power of 6. Basically we need to find power. That is question mark. So here let me write like this. 6 raised to 7 point up and 216 raised to 1.6 like this, okay. Now we need to, what is the first step, we need to just take base as a common, or I can say we need to do base same, okay. So here it is 6, so here also we want 6, and I know that 6 cube, okay, 6 square is 36, 6 cube is 216, so I can write this like this, 6 raised to 7.2 upon 6 cube and like this 1.6, okay. So all the law of indices rule, that 3 rules I told you earlier or just now, you can see here, so directly multiply. So here 6 raised to 7.2 upon 6 raised to 4.8, okay, and then this will come in numerator, so it will like 7.2 minus 4.8, okay. So this is you can, how you can solve this now. See here it is 2, 8, so we want 4, okay, and here it is 4, here it is, we will do just 4 and we will get 1 here in the carry, so it's 2.4, okay. So first here we got 6 raised to 2.4, okay, into. Now let's solve this. Now here what we have, 1296, that is minus 0.6 upon 7776, okay, raised to 1.2. Now see here also, if you carefully observe this unit digit, then it is 6, means definitely it is divisible by 6, okay, for sure. So what you can do, we can divide this 1296, so 12 6 2s are 12, okay, 6 1s are 1 and 3 6 2s are, okay, yes, this is what 216, means this is your 6 cube after dividing, means like this, okay. So this is 1, means this is 6 raised to 4, so this whole 296 is 6 raised to 4, okay, 0.6 upon, if you multiply with the help of 6 to this, okay, 12 6 are 70 and just do multiplication, so you will get the next number in this, means 6 raised to 4 and this is 6 raised to 5, like this, minus 1.2, okay. So just multiply here again, so here you will get in the numerator minus 2.4 and denominator you will get minus 6 only, okay, because 6.0 means 6 only. So now this minus 6 will go up, so it will like plus 6, and here 2.4, 6 minus 2.4 means you are 3.6, okay. So 6 raised to 3.6. Okay, now again use our law of indices here. So here you will get 6, 2.4 plus 3.6, 6 raised to 6, which is equals to 6 question mark. So you can see here base is same, here as here 6 is there and question mark. So obviously this is equal because base is same and your answer is 6. Okay. So few students solve this question very correctly, but few did mistake here. Okay, it should be not like that. Just observe whenever you have 6 here in the first, every even digit have 6. So definitely they will divide it by 6. Okay, so there is high probability. So in such type of question, definitely this is like you can use like hint. Okay, that is what is the smallest number, and definitely largest they can give anything, any power, but the smallest number you can give, and you can start from smallest number only. That is in this case I start from 6 because I just in LHS side here it is 6, RHS also 6 is here. Okay, so that's why. So this is hint for you guys. I hope you got this and just make your proper notes. Now the next question, that is your pie chart, and we have again our DI. So what is the question? First we will understand that what they given. So percentage of people, okay, then below 30, in between 30 50, above 50, and high, normal, low. These are the information we have. Now we will study the graph carefully. So in the graph we have percent of people between different ages. Okay, so this is ages, means people below 30 age, people in between 30 to 50 years, people after or above 50 years, like this. Okay, and each one having high, normal, low blood pressure. So high, normal, and low blood pressure here you can see. So high means blue, so this is high, this is normal, and this is your low. Okay, for same for this. So yes, we decode the graph. Now let's come to the question. So first question, what is the overall percent of people having low blood pressure if the ratio of people in the age groups 3:2:1 respectively? 90% students skip this question or perform negative marking here. Okay, and only 10% successfully attempt this question. So now those who are in 90%, you need to come to this 10%. Okay, because this question is very good question and it will check your basic concept of ratio. If you know the ratio perfectly, then definitely you can attempt this question. Otherwise definitely you will skip or you will make some mistake. Okay, so first I will tell you basic concept of ratio. Okay, just understand here, just pay full attention. So combination of ratio and percentage we will do. Suppose in the classroom there are two students. Okay. To one student I give toffee. So what you will say? Sir, you give toffee to one student out of two. Okay. Now again I will write this statement in form of mathematical form. So what you will again say? Sir, you give one toffee to one student out of two. And then I will ask you then how much percentage toffees or I want percentage student got the toffee. So to convert the value into percentage, you will just multiply by 100. So you will say, sir, 50% student got toffee and 50% not. Okay. Again, just repeat this sentence. I will just take another example of 10 students. Very carefully observe. Okay. Very important concept and deep concept. See, now we have 10 students. Out of 10 students, I give toffee to one student. Okay. So how you will say, sir, you give toffee to one student out of 10 student. Okay. Then how I will ask you that how much percentage students got toffee. So you will convert this value into percentage by multiplying by 100. Okay. Then you will get 10 percentage. So you will say, sir, 10% students out of 10 got the toffee. Okay. This is our concept. Now see what will happen here. Now here what they given us, okay, just understand carefully this ratio 3:2:1. So this 3 means overall 3. Okay, it is not like only low blood pressure, high blood pressure, normal pressure. No, it is overall 3. Okay, for below 30. 2, it is in between 30 50. 1, it is above 50. Okay, and in that we want only low blood pressure. Only we want this information. We don't want this normal one and this high blood pressure. Okay, only this we are interested in this gray part of all the 3. Now how to decode? The question is this. See. Okay, just I will just rub this and I will keep this. What you can do here now, same example I can take. See, this is the ratio. Okay, this is not the perfect number. This is not a perfect number. Suppose I give you 48 as to 12. Okay, so this is the suppose this is a perfect number. I will say you what is the ratio of this. So what directly you will take 12 fours are, that is 4 as to 1 is the ratio. Okay, understand now. 4 as to 1 is the ratio, and 48 and 12 are the numbers, are the exact numbers, 48 and 12. Okay, in this case we don't have exact number, we have ratio like this. Means after performing some operation like simplification, we got this 3 as to 2 as to 1. Okay, so what we will do, again we will use the same concept, that only we want low blood pressure out of 3. Okay, we want low blood pressure out of 3. Now see, again one more important thing to understand and to observe, this graph have percentage of people. Means 30%, 48%, 22%. If it is in value, then directly I can add the ratio and directly I can do. But no, this is in the form of percentage, so you can't solve this by normal method. And that is the reason that many students did mistake or they skip this question, because they don't know basics of ratio. And for ESIC, this concept is very much important for you. Okay, so now out of 3 in the below 30, we want only low blood pressure. Okay, so how many people have low blood pressure? We don't know, we just know 30% people have low blood pressure. Okay, exact number we don't know, right? Exact number we don't know. Suppose I write x here, x number of people have low blood pressure. Okay, out of, what is the out of? That is 3 only. Okay, and to convert this into percentage, we will multiply by 100, and this is equal to, already we have here 30%. See, already we have 30%. Okay, similarly here for x number of people, again we don't know, here we have 20%. Okay, we don't know exact value, exact number we don't know. So x by 2 into 100, and what percentage they given me? 20%. Then here x by 1 into 100, which is equals to your 15%. Okay, so till now I hope this thing is clear to you. Now we will move further. So if you can see here carefully, then x into 100, x into 100 and x into 100 is common. So what we will do, we will replace this. Okay, before that, what we have to find? Okay, that is this thing we should clear. So what we have to find, we need to find overall percentage of people having low blood pressure. Means this x into 100 people. Okay, out of total, what is the total? 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7, that is 6 into 100. So this thing we want to find. Okay, this thing we want to find. So I will replace this x into 100 by the values here. So see, 3 goes there like this, 2 goes there like this, and 1, obviously 1 is there, so no problem. So this will be 90%, this will be 40%, and this will be 15%. Okay, so total is 130 and 415, 145%. So just replace this with 145 percentage. 145 percentage. Okay, now 145 percentage what? 145 by 100. So here I will write like this, percentage sign gone. Okay, this 20, this 20 gone. 6 2s are 12, again 12 I got. 6 3s are 24. So approximately 23 I got here. So let's check option. Okay, so see, now we need to find all the things in approximation. Okay, because they mentioned somewhere here what overall percentage people having this. Okay, it is not given, but still we can do. So approximately your answer will be 24%. Okay, it is close to 24 because we got 23 point something something. Okay, I did not solve the decimal part. If you want, I will solve. See, 6 2s are okay, then 2, 6 3s are, then again 1.10, 6 1s are 23 point something something you will get. Okay, so exactly 24% or 23% point something is your answer. So like this, you need to solve the question whenever you know the concept. Definitely you can solve the question. Okay. Now I hope from next time you will not perform the same mistake here, because this question is very much important. Just mark star here for this question, and definitely in the upcoming test also I will give you for practice. Okay. So next time I don't want you perform same mistake in this question. That is the thing. Okay, come to 7 number question again, DI. So you can see lots of DI put in this paper because DI is most important, that's why, simple. So what we have, again, we will first analyze the table. So we have companies here, then years. Okay, years are 15 to 19. Okay, no problem. What are the companies? Honda, Tata, Mahindra, Ford. Okay, In Honda, male, female, Tata, male, female, like this. On all the data we have. Okay, number of employees. So these male, females are employees, male and female, working in 4 different automobile companies. These are the automobile companies in 5 different years. Now just come to question. If 20% of male and 30% of female employees in Tata in the year 2017 were handicapped, then what was the total number of handicapped candidates in the company that year? Okay, now see. Basic question. Tata in 2017. So come here. What they want? 20% of male. So in Tata, total 700 people or 700 male are working in 2017. So 20% of that. Okay, now two ways. See, we have just understand this carefully. 700. Okay, if you did here, this is 100%. Okay, if you want 10%, then definitely this will be your 70, and if you want 1%, then it is your 7. Okay, like this. Or directly you can do 1% is 7, right? So what is the value of 20%? That is 140. First way. Second, what you can do, 20%. 20% means what? 20% means what? 1 by 5, right? So 1 by 5 into 700, that is your, see, 140. These are the two ways you can do. Okay, these are the two ways you can do the question. So first we got the number 140. Now we want female. Okay, so for female, again use the same, that is this. So 30%. Okay, see, 1% is 3.5. Okay, 350 means 100%. So 35 is 10% and 1% is 3.5. So if 1% is 3.5, then what is the value of 30%? Just multiply with this. So 105, right? So 105, 140 means total employees. How much total employees? 245. Okay, what is the question? What was the total number of handicapped candidates in the company that year? So total 245. Very basic question. Like this you will solve. Okay, again the next question is from DI again. Same table we have, so no need to study the table. Directly question is, what percentage approximately of the total number of employees working in the year 2018 in all the companies together was the total number of male employees working in Mahindra over all the years? So now this question will test your percentage skill also and addition skill also. Okay, first addition we want to do. Total number of employees working in the year 2018. So this is your 18. What is the total number of employees? Like this. So you need to add now. Okay, now how to add orally or without pen? See, first we can see here 450 and 550, that is 1000. Okay, 1000 and this 550 550 is 1100. So 200 and 100. Okay, then here 550 650, 5 6 are 11 and this is 12. Okay, like this, and then this is 950. Okay, so just add this, what you will get here, 4250. Okay, so this is the total number of employees working in year 2018, that is 4250. I will write here. Okay, let's come to next part. What is the next part? The total number of male employees working in Mahindra. Okay, so this is Mahindra. Now we want male employees here, so obviously we need to add all these things. Okay, start 450 550 1000 63 900. So 1900 and 450, that is 2350. Okay, and we want percentage, so directly 2350 upon 425 into 100. Okay, now what we can solve, see, let me check if we can divide with 25. So 25 ones are 25, and here 1540 and 175, and here, okay, this thing we now can't divide. Okay, so what we can do, instead of this, just directly we can do with 5. So 5 is a 40, 5 5 is 25. Okay, here we have 5 4 is 20, again 3. So 5 is 30, 5 7 is 35, and then this is 0. Okay, so 470 upon 85. So again let me see what we can do here. So we can again do with 5. So this is 17, and this is your 5 9s are, okay, and 5 4s are 20, 17 and 94. So we can see here directly 5 times is your 85. So definitely 5 will be there. Okay, then 85, 5 and 4 9, so 90, again 5. So approximately 55% we are getting. Let's check options. Okay, yes, 55. See, this is approximate. Okay, one. Okay, because they mentioned here approximately. So answer is 55%. Okay, now 9th and 10th number question. Now the question is from wrong number series. Whenever you will get the question from wrong number series, first start with square, then cube, then add, subtract, addition, multiplication. Okay, but start always with square and cube because this is important in wrong number series, and in this sequence you can follow for this, right? So this question, if you observe, let's start with square. So see, 5 is the square, okay, of 2 square plus 1. So we will see whether this pattern is repeating or not. So 29. So 3 square 9, no. 4 square 16, no. 5 square 25 plus 4 9, 29. Okay, but this pattern is not repeating. So now what I can check this 29 as, because I know that 3 cube is 27. So let me write like this, 3 cube 27 plus 2. Okay, so see what pattern initially we can observe, 1 square 1 cube plus 1 plus 2. Okay, again here, so 4 square plus 3. Okay, see 1 2 3 and again square, so definitely next one should be cube. So 5 cube plus 4. So 5 cube plus 4 is 125 plus this should be 129. Okay, but we are not sure till now, but this should be 129. So let's observe carefully. Next one number 41 is there. So 6 square is 36 plus 5. That is 41. Yes, our logic is correct. This is the perfect logic. And with this logic, 131 should be not there. 129 should be there. So answer is 131. Okay, this is the wrong number. And now here we have missing number. So in missing, it is easy. And I don't know why some people did mistake here, because this question was very easy. Alternate series concept was there. Okay, if you can observe carefully, 114, 115, this. Okay, see 112, 111, 110 means in this numbers we are doing -1 and in this number we are doing plus. So answer is directly 160. Very easy question. Okay, I don't know why some people did mistake here. So if you did mistake, no worries, because we will improve ourselves. Okay, and this is the learning phase, so no need to worry. But always remember, whenever you have ups and downs, like see 114, then 112. Okay, so up down, again 115, up down, 111. So this is your alternate series, and you will target this number with this and this number with this. Always remember this. Okay, again I am repeating this for alternate number series, how you can identify up the bigger number, smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller, like this. Okay, so 114 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so I hope all the 10 questions you gone, and definitely whatever mistakes you did is okay, there is no problem in that. We will learn and we will improve yourself. If you score 8 marks, then definitely good, otherwise no need to worry, because we will take this 8 to out of 18 or 19. This is our target. Okay, so now just keep revising the things. Whatever concept you learned today, just share me in the comment section. Also don't forget to tweet. Okay, because we want our channel back soon, because we don't have time to wait. Definitely it will come, but we want it soon, that's why. Okay, so keep tweeting and keep showing your support to us. Definitely what lots of things we were doing for you, that is Telegram PDF, application, test, lots of things are there. Okay, so at least I can expect from you one tweet or 1 minute. Hardly it will take seconds, but still I am writing 1 minute. Okay, so if you have any query, any doubt regarding the things, you can connect me on application, those who are already on application, and those who are not, download our application or directly connect to Instagram. All the best.